Case study: the MV Jolly Nero collision ECDIS display errors and navigational awareness. In May 2013, the MV Jolly Nero, a large container ship, collided with the control tower in the port of Genoa, Italy, resulting in multiple fatalities and extensive damage. The incident shed light on the importance of ECDIS display accuracy and navigational awareness in preventing maritime accidents. Investigations revealed that the collision occurred due to errors in the ECDIS display on board the MV Jolly Nero. The electronic chart incorrectly depicted the position and proximity of navigational hazards, including the control tower and nearby vessels. Despite the presence of radar and visual lookout, the crew failed to recognize the discrepancies between the electronic chart and the actual surroundings, leading to a tragic collision. This case underscores the critical role of navigational awareness and human judgment in conjunction with ECDIS technology. While ECDIS provides valuable navigational information, it is essential for mariners to exercise caution, verify electronic chart data with visual and radar observations, and maintain situational awareness at all times. Furthermore, the incident prompted calls for improved ECDIS training and proficiency among mariners to ensure effective utilization of the technology and mitigate the risk of similar accidents in the future. The MV Jolly Nero collision serves as a poignant reminder of the need for continuous vigilance, training, and adherence to best practices in maritime navigation, particularly in the era of advanced electronic navigation systems like ECDIS. By learning from such incidents and prioritizing safety measures, the maritime industry can strive towards safer and more secure voyages for all vessels.